Meaning of deep-rooted.
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 Deep-rooted. The term deep-rooted refers to something that is firmly or strongly established, often with a complex or extensive network of roots. It can also imply an inherent or long-standing characteristic or quality that is deeply ingrained and difficult to change. This term is often used to describe ideas, traditions, beliefs, or cultural practices that have been in place for many years and are deeply embedded in a society or community. In short, the term deep-rooted suggests a strong and enduring influence or impact that is difficult to uproot or remove.